Today's cell salt is on magnesium phosphate. This cell salt corresponds to the minerals and nutrients that was in the atmosphere when the sun was in a position that we call Leo. To know which cell salt that you may need depends on the seasons that you were not in your mother's womb during your gestational development. So, for an example, if you were a full-term baby, aka in your mother's womb for a full 9 cycles, and you were also born in the season of Leo, then you would need the cell salts that correspond with Virgo, Libra, and Scorpio. But in this realistic world, not everyone can be aware of the precise cycles that they were in their mother's womb developing. So, in that case, understanding your energies, or even knowing your birth chart, would allow you to have some intuitive awareness on what minerals and nutrients that you could be deficient in. So in that case, understanding your energy, aka knowing thyself, will allow you to intuitively be able to correspond with minerals and nutrients that you may need. But if you don't yet trust your own inner guidance, you can always get a birth chart, and it can point you directly to your natures and how to correspond with Mother Nature. Symptoms of a deficiency of this cell salt could cause you to have a low appetite, nausea and vomiting, fatigue and weakness, abnormal heart rhythms, muscle spasms, and tremors. The Leo cell salt is consumed in the body more rapidly than any other cell salt. Magnesium phosphate is mostly stored in our bones and the remainder in various tissues throughout the body. In medical astrology, Leo governs the heart, the spine, the back, your forearms, and your wrist. Leo is also associated with vitality, strength, and the cardiovascular system. Magnesium phosphate is formed when phosphate rock and serotine rock melt together in nature. Foods that are high in magnesium phosphate include foods like broccoli, whole grains, legumes, whatever that is, and some nuts and seeds. Magnesium phosphate is also used to alleviate sharp, quick pains like sciatica, menstrual cramps, muscle cramps, heartburn, and other common and even chronic symptoms. So how is this common wisdom for plants and animals, and yet so-called evolved humans know nothing of their Mother Earth's natures and how life provides simple solutions? Shout out Uriel for the starting point. It don't go no further than that. Some things we all just should know. This is one of those things.